Hey guys, it's Jamie from Walking Through Flowers. Welcome back to my channel. I must apologize, all the footage in this video is a year old. This is how I made my logo backdrop for my 10 by 10 canopy tent that I take with me to my craft shows and such. But when it's not hanging up with my canopy, it's actually up on my wall in my craft studio. So it's kind of like a dual purpose tapestry. In order to create this is like a natural canvas, and this is just acrylic paint. I have a little bit of thread, so I did use a sewing machine to finish the edges off. And then this is a tapestry that I actually thrifted. So not a lot of materials. It took forever to make though. So make my own transparency. I printed off my logo and put it in one of these plastic sleeves. I'm going to trace my logo so that it is on the plastic. I did it. So here's the navy, and here's the orange. I did this zigzag pattern. I think I want one more color, so I grabbed this green, and then I think I'll do like a line type stitch and just kind of fill in blank spots. I went ahead and centered it and taped it down. Just lift up tape and not move it, and then glue all around, and I'm good to go. Pretty simple, but I did have to use a projector, which my sister has always had a dream of being a teacher, and she had a projector, and now she's gonna be a teacher and she wants it back. But haha, it's an ancient tool, really. It's very antiquated, and she doesn't need it back because she hasn't used it since she got it for Christmas when she was 10 to play school. And besides, they have technology technology in classrooms now. They don't need to use a projector. I almost passed out once in 3rd grade looking at a projector. I had like a low blood sugar attack. It was crazy. We don't want that for the youth, so I'm keeping the projector, I'm gonna do that.